This is the man defense attorneys in the Georgia election interference case were hoping would establish the timeline of the romantic relationship between Fulton County D.A. Fani Willis and lead prosecutor Nathan Wade.
I do not have knowledge of it starting or when it started.
On the stand for the second time this month, Terrence Bradley deemed a potential star witness for Donald Trump and his co-defendants as Wade's former divorce attorney. Bradley confronted with text messages today he sent suggesting the relationship began before Willis hired Wade to lead the Trump case. But on the stand today,
I was speculating.
He tried to walk that back.
When did you first get knowledge of their relationship?
I've said over again that I didn't have any personal information where I could personally say when it started.
At issue for the judge to resolve whether Willis benefited financially from hiring Wade, as defense attorneys have highlighted the pair's vacations together.
It is a lie. It is a lie.
Willis and Wade testified expenses were split and that the relationship only began after Wade was hired. But Willis's former friend cast doubt on that.
You have no doubt that their romantic relationship was in effect from 2019 until the last time you spoke with her?
No doubt.
The state today opting not to question Bradley.
Now, on Friday, the judge will hear more arguments about the extent of Willis and Wade's relationship. But bottom line to remember here, Lester, the timeline matters less than whether she benefited financially from someone that she hired.
Okay. Thanks for watching. Stay updated about breaking news and top stories on the NBC News app or follow us on social media.